हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू अनदर इंटरेस्टिंग एपिसोड ऑफ सीए की कहानी सीए की जुबानी। आज के हमारे एपिसोड में हमारे साथ एक थर्ड जनरेशन सीए हैं एंड इनका अगर मैं बोलूं तो विद फैमिली ओवरऑल एक्सपीरियंस एज अ फैमिली एज चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स इज ओवर अ सेंचुरी। So let me welcome CA Akshay Maheshwari. He is the partner with BR Maheshwari and Company. He is an CA with 20 years of an experience and an MBA from Warwick Business School. And Akshay has a great lineage to carry over. His father, CA Sudhir Maheshwari, is the managing partner with BR Maheshwari and Company. He founded an NBFC in 1998. And has been consistently with the growth of BR Maheshwari and Company. Not to forget the founding partner, CA BR Maheshwari or Baburam Maheshwari, or commonly known as Bauji. Bauji was a CA of 1954. Bauji was a past president for the CA Institute in 76-77 and has also held various posts in the NIRC and the Central Council. I have been really fortunate to be a part of BR Maheshwari and Company क्योंकि मैंने अपनी आर्टिकलशिप बाऊजी के अंडर करी थी. So I'm really happy and I feel honored to be part of such an organization. So now let me welcome Akshay to the program. Hi Akshay, welcome to the show.
Thank you, happy to be.
So Akshay, I think you have a great lineage to carry over. आप थर्ड जनरेशन सीए हैं, तो आपने सीए क्या मतलब डिफॉल्ट चॉइस से चुना या फिर ये आप खुद करना चाहते थे?
I think little bit of both.
Okay.
Because बड़े होते हुए this is what I've seen, the only पेशा जो मैंने देखा है. And yeah, my grandfather had a lot of influence on me. So seeing him achieve so much, I thought this is what I have to do in life. So I never really gave myself another choice.
Okay. अक्षय, आपकी सीए की जर्नी कैसी रही? मतलब पढ़ाई में बहुत इजी था, घर में सब सीए थे तो?
वेल, घर से सपोर्ट तो बहुत मिला था, लेकिन आसान तो कभी नहीं होती सीए सीए की जर्नी. सो स्ट्रगल्स थे. मैं जब मेरे टाइम फाउंडेशन होता था, आई क्लियर्ड दैट, स्टार्टेड माय आर्टिकलशिप एट द राइप ओल्ड एज ऑफ 19. एंड I remember my entire first attempt I had failed, the first time I'd ever failed in anything. So that was a bit of a shock to me. But then final भी clear हो गया first attempt में, so 21 साल पे CA बन गए. और बनने के बाद क्या करना है कुछ आइडिया ही नहीं था, because लाइफ का पर्पस ही CA बनना था तब तक.
Okay. तो आपने एक्चुअली CA करने के बाद सीधा प्रैक्टिस में आए या आपने पहले कहीं जॉब भी करी?
नहीं, जॉब करी काफी, बिकॉज मेरे को सीधा प्रैक्टिस में नहीं आना था. वो तो प्रैक्टिस तो चल ही रही थी, फैमिली बिजनेस कह लीजिए उसे, लेकिन मैं उसमें क्या एडिशनल लाता. सो पहले आई वांटेड टू गो आउट इन द मार्केट एंड गेन सम स्किल्स, सम डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स दैट आई कुड ब्रिंग टू द फर्म. So I worked in the Big Fours. I did my MBA, then I worked as an investment banker for a while. Then finally, I think last 12-13 years I've been part of the firm.
So आपने सीए कर लिया था, तो फिर एमबीए क्यों ऐड ऑन किया आपने?
So सीए प्रैक्टिस मेरे को सिर्फ ऑडिट टैक्स वाली बड़ी ड्राइव लगती थी. मुझे कुछ डिफरेंट करना था. So थोड़ा अपना माइंड एक्सपैंड करने के लिए आई थॉट लेट मी अंडरस्टैंड हाउ बिजनेस इज डन और क्या क्या चीजें नहीं कर सकते. अल्टीमेटली मुझे आना था प्रैक्टिस में ही, बट मुझे प्रैक्टिस को थोड़ा रीशेप करना था. मेरे को ट्रेडिशनल प्रैक्टिस नहीं करनी थी.
ओके. एंड अच्छा, एक बात बताइए, क्योंकि नॉर्मली एक सीए बनने के बाद हमेशा एक जद्दोजहद रहती है जॉब लेने के लिए या प्रैक्टिस में जाने के लिए या बिग फोर में जाने के लिए. तो वाज दैट लाइक अ केक वॉक फॉर यू और डिड यू रियली हैव चैलेंजेस इन योर करियर आल्सो?
सो शुरुआत में आई थिंक helped. What helped was my family really helped. My father had some good friends who helped me get my articleship at a Big Four. उसके बाद I think it was more on my own, because एक एंट्री तो मिल जाती है, बट उसके बाद जो आप आगे बढ़ेंगे आपकी काबिलियत पे ही है.
So ऐसा नहीं था कि आपको लगा कि
जब मैंने MBA किया 2009 में, तभी लीमन क्राइसिस हुआ था. एंड मेरा बहुत मन था इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंकिंग करने का, बट कोई जॉब्स थे ही नहीं था। सो मैंने ग्लोबली काफी ट्राई किया था। फाइनली आई वाज फॉर्चुनेट टू गेट अ जॉब एट इंडियन इन्वेस्टमेंट बैंक इन बॉम्बे, बट यस दैट वाज अ वेरी नॉट, आई मीन प्रोफेशनली स्पीकिंग, वेरी not good period.
So, as you said, practice में आपको आना ही था because ये family business था. तो क्या ये आपका पर्सनल चॉइस भी था कि कहीं बैक ऑफ द माइंड कि मैं यहीं आऊंगा, या फिर
वो मैंने कभी क्वेश्चन नहीं किया था, बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली मुझे पता था मेरे को ही संभालनी है प्रैक्टिस.
ओके.
So that was always because my father, while he is the managing partner, he was interested in financial services and other things also. So I knew कि ये तो मेरे को ही संभालनी है, तो मैंने अपने आप को कभी चॉइस दी नहीं, तो ऑनेस्टली सोचा ही नहीं.
ओके. सो ये भी अच्छी चीज है. और कोई चीज जो आपको ऐसा लगा हो कि मतलब शायद सीए पेरेंट्स होने की वजह से, या एक लीनियज जो बाऊजी वाली थी, बिकॉज बाऊजी आई थिंक is a known name. Everybody really respects and looks for to him. So how did you manage that? Because वो एक बहुत बड़ा चीज होता है कवर करने के लिए. मतलब if I talk of the nepotism or the thing, did that really help or do something?
So yes, that was a challenge. लोगों को usually लगता है कि that I am very lucky, I was given things handed on a platter. But उसके साथ flip side भी आती है. The weight of expectations is immense, and there is a certain way things are done in an old 70-year-old business firm. And being fairly young, I had a very different perspective कि ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे होना चाहिए. For instance, IT, when I joined, there were minimal investments in IT, and I could see that this is the future. We need to really invest in these cloud platforms and the latest tools and whatnot. So वो time लगा. So it took me a good 5-7 years to really find my feet after joining. But yes, it's been rewarding now.
Okay. And so you, as you said, you ventured into a firm which had a legacy. So what are the things that, if I have to talk about people who know BR Maheshwari and Company, what is the change that they would see from a 40-year-old BR MCO, as we call it, and versus today that we see BRMC?
So I think pehle, when we were 40 years old, it was a very, very personality-driven firm. There were the senior partners and they were the face of the firm. Wahi hote the, people used to report to them. What I have tried to do now is make it more process-driven. So we work more like an organization rather than being dependent on one or two people.
Okay.
So I think that is one big thing. Then of course everything works on cloud. I think COVID in a sense was good for us. It taught us that we can work remotely, we can work on the cloud. So now I have people all over the country working for me, working at clients in far-flung areas without having to go there. So that is really, something that I'm proud of that we've achieved in the last 4-5 years. And another thing that we did was in 2018-19, we took a conscious step that, let's de-risk ourselves from only the Indian market. And we went out, we joined a global alliance of firms. And that has, of course, not been easy to start with, but I think it is showing some dividends. And, we have a lot of international clients now. It's a growing market for us. And, I think that has been good as well.
And just to mention, so people either who are from BRMC or who know BRMC would be proud that we're now going to complete around 70 years, I guess, as a company.
71 years this year.
Oh, 71 this year. So that's congratulations, Akshay, and to the whole family also. One good question that I have for you is, because you've seen a lot of sides of CA, coming from a family and all. So what is your message for the students, either who are doing CA or who are planning to do CA? How do you see the journey of being a CA?
Okay. So I think the CA course has evolved over the years, which is important. It had to. Times are changing. We have to change with the times. Things like AI and all coming in, you have to adapt to that. It is still a very, very relevant and pertinent course. It's very good grounding for any young professional. So if you start your career, your career journey starting with a CA, it really gives you a good grounding. Even if you one day want to lead a company, get into marketing or HR or whatever. It is hard, no doubt about it, but you have to be willing to put in the hard work. Without that, nothing is ever possible really in life. When you do complete your CA, what I see with a lot of youngsters, which I don't like these days, is people are just blindly chasing money. I think what you have to do is chase experiences that will shape your career. So rather than going with somebody who's giving you a couple of lakhs more, go where you know you will gain some new skills. And the first 5-6 years should be all about that, building yourself from within. Money will follow you. If you follow money, you'll keep following money. If you build your skill sets, money will follow you.
Perfectly right. And I think ये चीज तो हम CA में हमेशा देखते हैं. ऐसा नहीं है कि you have to be a first attempter CA, and I think actually you will agree to it. Your number of attempts don't decide about how much more or how much less you will earn. It's about how much effort that you put into it really takes you to the success. Akshay, that was really a good conversation. Thank you for being on the show. And I'm sure, seeing Akshay, again, a lot of us will understand कि ऐसा नहीं है कि सब कुछ प्लेट पे मिलता है. आपकी मेहनत आपकी अपनी होती है एंड आपको अपनी सक्सेस स्टोरी खुद बनानी पड़ती है. ठीक है, कुछ चीजें इजी हो सकती हैं, बट ऐसा नहीं है कि रेडीमेड होती है. So thanks Akshay for sharing with us this information, and it was really insightful. And to all our viewers, keep watching our show, and if you're one of the CAs who would like to be here and share your stories, please do connect with us and we'll have you on our show next. Thank you.